Hey, what's up, y'all? It's cane pole Willie. Man, I'm super excited about today because I'm back fishing the cane pole. This is one I worked on in the winter, made the video about. This is about 14 foot, a little bit longer than the other ones I usually have. This one's lacquered up. I've never had a lacquered cane pole, so this one's looking good. And I'm real happy with how this one turned out, but it's the first time fishing it. But today we got the circle hooks, 8-pound line, and Nightcrawlers. Picked these up from Bass Pro Shop. Now I'm super pumped up. Finally back fishing the cane pole, and hopefully we're about to get some fish today. Oh, whoa, got one. Oh, heck yeah. Man, this one was pecking on it for a while. Finally got it. Oh, heck yeah. It's a drum. Man, that's funny because I've actually caught a drum in this same spot right here. The last one was on a crawdad. Heck yeah. I think this is my first drum of the year. Oh, man. Circle hook right in the corner of the mouth. Dude, drum are so cool. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Let's see if I can bring him over to shore. Nice. Got a little drum right there. Nothing too big, but I'm pretty sure this is what has been pecking on my worm this whole time. Cool. A little drum. That's one of the fun things about earthworm fishing. You got the chance to get a drum. They definitely like the worms. All right, first fish on the cane pole this year. All right, we just put on a fresh, juicy worm. This is my second worm in this pool. Heck yeah, I got one. Oh, whoa. I think it's another channel catfish. Heck yeah. Ooh. Man. I've been wading out deep. My GoPro is actually low on battery. I hope it doesn't run out on this fight. Heck yeah, this one's fighting good. Man. Oh, it feels good to be fighting back on the cane pole. Woo! Man, first day back on the creek and on them. Let's see what we got. I haven't got a good look at it yet. Oh yeah, channel catfish. Pretty sure it's my biggest yet. Heck yeah. Oh man, I don't think there's much cover around here. But he's fighting good. Heck yeah. Oh man, I hope I get this fish in. Having this long pole helps fighting. Gives them a lot more wiggle room. Jeez, I cannot get this fish to the surface. Oh yeah. Good little channel cat, putting up a good fight. All right, there he is. I see him. Heck yeah. Nice. Another channel cat. Let's bring him over here to the bank. Get him on hooks for the GoPro dies. Oh, heck yeah. Not a massive one, but good little fighter on the cane pole. Heck yeah, look at the belly on that. Man, he's been eating good in this pool. See if we can get him unhooked. Circle hook right there in the top lip. Perfect. Let's see if we can get him unhooked. Heck yeah. Good, GoPro still going. Nice, best channel catfish so far. Hopefully we can keep getting them. Heck yeah, this one's not too bad. Nice. Oh, got a fish here. I literally didn't even feel it. It didn't bite or anything. Oh man, it's kind of jumping up, makes me think it's a bass. Is that a bass? I can't tell. Oh, whoa, now it's pulling. Is my GoPro going? Oh, heck yeah. It's a bass. Nice little smallmouth. Heck yeah. Oh man. Big jump. Yeah. Oh man, yes. Oh, heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, dude, heck yeah. Let's bring him over here to the bank. Man, he is trying everything to get off there. That is so cool. Yes. Yes. Back on the bass. Oh man, let's get him over here. Let's lip this dude. Yes. Yeah. All right, not a monster, but man, that's awesome. On the Nightcrawler. Heck yes. Good little smallmouth. Heck yeah. Not a bad smallmouth. Man, I've been working hard. I was down to my last couple worms. Man, this smallmouth is long. Whoa, he's eager to get out of here. There he goes. All right, not a bad day of fishing out here. Man, it feels so good to be back swinging the cane pole. Spent the whole spring cooped up in that kayak, chasing the bluegill around the lake, but man, it's about time to switch it up, get back out here, do some wading. Summer is meant for the creeks. Man, I love the flowing water and just getting out here, getting wet, chasing these smallmouth around. Hopefully this is a little preview of what's to come this summer. Hoping to get on some big catfish. And really the goal is to get a nice bass. Smallmouth, largemouth, spotted, it don't matter. That was a good little start, but I'm gonna be working these rivers over, the local ones here in Arkansas, fishing some holes I know, and hopefully getting out and checking out some new spots. But anyway, man, good start, back swinging the cane pole. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know you guys been eager to get a cane pole video. We're finally back at it, and hopefully we're just gonna keep them running. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and hopefully this summer is just full of cane pole adventures. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.